You say I'm tripping, bullshit. You're the one that make me do.
Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a hair tutorial showing you how to lay your lace frontals down. So this hair, it was sent to me from Elva Hair Wigs. So to start off, it does come in this black box, and it does have this on the outside of the box. This has elvahairs.com, and so on the inside of the box you will get your wig. The wig, it just came in like this little clear plastic bag. And also, it does come with this little mesh net. And the mesh net, usually for these, if it doesn't come like in a box, I will keep this just to protect the wig and cover the wig up. So it does say on this right here, if you do upload a video, YouTube, you can email the company and send them your video, and they will send you out a free wig. And then on the back, it just has some of the people that have already done the review. So the hair that I do have is a Yaki Kinky Straight unit. It is 20 inches. It is 130% density. It is in the natural color. I did bleach the knots. The wig, it does come pre-plucked. The front of the wig, when you will watch the video, the pre-plucked is really bomb. I love that about this wig. The lace, it is going to be a medium brown lace, and it is also a medium cap. So I did lay this wig down as if I did do a no baby hair kind of tutorial. I just wanted to go ahead and lay the hair down on top of the lace to give it a more natural look. So I will be kind of showing you guys how I do that. So if you would like to see how I got this wig styled and laid down, then please continue watching. I'm going to go ahead and start off with my Got to Be Glued in my black bottle. And I'm going to just lay down my edges. Yeah, I'm going to take my cap. I'm going to pull that completely down over my head. So now that I have that pulled down, I take some of the Got to Be Glued in the yellow bottle, and I put that on the top. And you want to make sure you are putting this in front of your hairline as well, because we are going to cut around the hairline. You do always want to leave some of the cap along the hairline so that this does protect your hair whenever we're applying glue. Because I am going to be applying what is it, the bowl hole. I'm going to be applying that today. So I do want to make sure that my hair is protected. So now that I have that sprayed, I'm going to be using my Got to Be Glued freezing spray. And I just like this for extra security. Basically, you just want to wait till that is dry, which I do have my hair dryer. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on and sit under. Usually I sit under the hair dryer maybe about 20 minutes. It doesn't take long. And once that is dry, we will be back. Now that the hair is dry, I'm going to go ahead and take some scissors, and I'm going to just cut around the hairline. So now that I went ahead and cut the stocking cap, I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation. I used the D50. This is the Deep Golden. I'm using a foundation brush. You can use any foundation brush. This is a Morphe E6. So we want to go ahead and clean up the makeup along the hairlines. We're going to be using 91% rubbing alcohol in a cotton swab. On the inside, you are going to get 3 combs on the top, and then you are going to get a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. This hairline, it does come pre-plucked already. So on the front, I did bleach the knots. I applied my foundation and my powder that I used earlier, and I have not cut off the lace yet. So I'm going to be starting with my boho lace cream. And I'm going to start in the center. So with the boho cream, you do want to put like thin layers, and you do want to wait for the glue to like be clear before you apply another coat. I'm going to do probably about 2 coats. Like I said, you do want to put a thin layer, because if you do put a thick layer, whenever you do lay your lace down, it's not going to look right. So I am going to let that dry, and then I'm going to put another layer, and I am going to do it in sections. I think it's easier to do it in sections because you're not getting glue everywhere. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair dryer and go ahead and kind of melt that into the lace. Okay, so now that I got this side done, I'm gonna go ahead and start by cutting off the lace that is not glued, because I want the no baby hair kind of look. So I usually leave the lace like around, and then I'll put baby hairs on it, but I want the no baby hair look. So I'm gonna cut exactly where I put that glue at, so that it kind of mimics my hairline like to the T. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and try it with my scissors and just cut off any excess lace that I did not put down. So now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and take my foaming wrap mousse, and I'm gonna just go ahead and kind of just brush down the front to get it to look nice. So I am just going to brush the hairs, just kind of messy, just so that when I put on that wrap, it'll kind of lay as if I have no baby hairs, or however you want to say it. So it has been a day, and I took off my head wrap. So what I did was I applied some more of the foam and wrap mousse, and then I did use my edge control brush just to go down and slick down some hair. And I did also get a Q-tip, and I did get some alcohol to remove the excess glue that I had. So in some spots the lace did kind of pick back up, so what I did was just spray some I got to be glued spray on there, and I just kind of brushed the hairs so that the edge is not, I don't have like any baby hairs, but you know, it kind of helps mimic the hairline so that it covers the lace. So it'll give it like a natural appearance. And I did go ahead and I just straightened his hair. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and use my hot comb to straighten it. I did use like my little hand, this is like an old straightening iron. It's from Revlon. I don't know even how hot it get. So I just use that to kind of go ahead and frizz down the hair. So now I'm gonna use my Chi Silk Infusions. And then for the top, those flyaways, I'm gonna go ahead and use my styling wax, and this is by the Kira Care brand, and it is just a wax stick. Like I said, the wig, it does come pre-plucked for you. Hair, it is not bleached, so you are gonna have to bleach the knots if you do want that natural appearance. I don't get any tangling. The only thing I do get is shedding, and when I first had the wig, before I bleached the knots, I didn't get any shedding, but after that I do get a lot of shedding, so be mindful of that. So I'm not sure if that has something to do with me bleaching or not. The texture is thick, but the hair is not thick at all. You can actually like run your hands through it and you can feel the tracks, like it's really not thick. I really do like how this hair looks. It looks really natural. I really love that about this. The only thing is the back. I do got the straps on the tightest loops, and on the back it's not like flat along my hairline, so I can't like put this up in a high ponytail. If I do that, then I do have to put like a lot of clips or glue the back down. So I will leave all the details down below in the description box. So if you like this video, then please do give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave those also down below. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And also share this video if you thought it was helpful. And I will see you guys in my next video.